Dude, the M5, it's freaking bright, but dude, the M5 looks so good right now. M3 comps, M4.
TRX, dude. I love TRX, bro.
Make it pop.
Tune this thing already, bro.
For real.
I hate how it's like what happened to your pops?
Heat sink, bro.
Yeah, me too. I couldn't pop right now.
Oh my god. Oh.
Dude, dude, the lineup is so sexy. M3, M5, or sorry, M4, M5, M3. Holy. Is it way louder now? Is that a big change? Is that a big difference?
Oh. Yeah.
It takes basically a whole loop around the mountains. But it's like really short.
Nice. What's San Francisco?
Yeah. You know that spot?
That takes you to Palmdale.
Yeah, it takes you to Palmdale and you can go take another route through the mountains.
We're not doing that right now though?
Not right now. It's only too long. Which car you want next?
F82, bro.
F82 still?
Yeah. I mean, I want an F90, but the one in my budget, like, they're just too much miles. I'm kind of scared. I don't know. Maybe I should get an F90.
Behind again. Oh, look at this perfect lane. Is this a Mustang?
Yeah, I think so.
Like with the full exhaust? Holy crap, that Max sounds really good. Does he have the same exhaust system as him?
Yeah, but Daniel kind of has exhaust
It sounds way different. I hate how my car doesn't pop in higher gears. I so wish it did. You see his face?
What's he doing?
You can just tell he feels like hella aura, you know, it's just cute, bro. When you can read it off somebody, it's so funny to me. Yeah. Yeah, he did exactly that. Dude, over there, it's actually so lit. There's like a in the mountains, there's like where there's like movie sets in the back. Holy crap. My crap doesn't pop from now, where's the park at? It's somewhere here. Like that, all the way back home?
Yeah. It's like one of my favorite canyons.
Yeah, it's honestly so nice. And it's so close to me, which is crazy.
Yeah.
I love how canyons are like literally right next to me. I need to do more canyon runs, low key.
Yeah, usually when I go to Santa Cruz,
Dude, the only reason I want to get an AMG is honestly for how loud the V8 is.
E63s are so fire.
And they
Max
sound
wants one.
crazy. Max wants one?
Yeah.
Oh, you should get it, bro.
Let me know what you're about to do. Pull over.
God, I'll do one right now.
It's such a fast car, but it's so
In the long run, if it's actually like super nice having massage seats.
I know if I get an M5, I'll make sure I have that option. Honestly, I feel like I should just take the gamble and get kind of a high mileage F90. 50k miles is not that bad.
Bro, 50k for F90 is insane.
Yeah, but for like a B58 though, it's not bad. Or F82.
As much equity as possible at the start. I think we'll keep up, bro. My car's not that fast, honestly. It's just it's a fat ass. It's a fat car, you know. Your guys is light.
Yeah,
it being light.
So much more power.
I have 100 horse.
This car is a convertible egg drive, so it's heavy.
Oh snap!
It's literally the BMW M4.
This is yeah with Cali. When you're in Max's car, can you hear my turbos pretty well?
Yeah, big time.
Dude, let's go. Where's the Shell gas station? Oh, it's on the end. Let's see.
Like if I do get an M5, I could just get like a pre-facelift non-comp.
Hope you guys enjoy this little M3, M4, M5 POV video. Holy. Holy crap, dude. This sounds so good. Oh my gosh, dude, boys, I cannot wait to tune this thing. My main goal with this car, boys, I don't know if I'm gonna sell this one and get one crash from like the co-parts, but I want to build the whole engine. What the? There's an M4 comp somewhere here. I don't know. Oh, he's over there in the front. Come on, pop, baby, pop. I'm trying to meet up with that M4 cop over there. There's something about this car, it's like, it's so weird because every time I film, dude, it's like, it feels the same. Obviously, like, I got used to it, but this car feels so, there's something about these cars, bro, I don't know what it is. I think just having anything that's VA is just always so fun to drive, man. Like Porsches V6s, Porsches, I think it's a flat 6, and then BMW's inline 6, they sound really good for like 6-cylinder cars. But something about V8, bro, it's like therapeutic. Like having these cars, boys, it just motivates me to make even more money, because like these cars are so fun, but being able to know, like knowing that someday I could actually afford every single car, like it's possible. It gets, I don't know, man, it gets me motivated. Something about cars, bro. Cars just gets me hyped. It's stupid loud, bro. This car is stupid loud.